In this video, I'm going to show you how to use guided learning in Gemini. So to start, click on the prompt box and click on Tools, scroll down and select Guided Learning. You can also click on Help Me Learn right here to give you some sample prompts. So here are the sample prompts. Learn skills to grow my career, learn how Gemini can boost my productivity, learn a new wellness technique, learn how to start a business plan. Gonna click on that. So help me create a functional business plan for a business idea. So to get started, it will ask you a question. So which of these areas would you like to explore first? So first is the core concept, market and competition. The third one is operations and logistics. So I'm just going to type in number 2, click on submit. So we'll ask you again another question. So tell me a little bit about your business idea. For example, what kind of product or service are you thinking of offering? So I will say and click on submit. So read explanations, answer follow-up questions. Gemini adapts their responses to ensure comprehension. So continue the back and forth dialogue until the topic is fully covered. Ask for clarification if needed to maintain focus. And that's it. Thanks for watching.